This is the type of car.
Alright gang, just really briefly before we move on, this is the Trabant. It was basically one of two cars that existed. There were two cars that was the most common one. High quality, guys. In fact, it is known to be the worst car in human history. It is essentially a lawnmower with 4 seats and a steering wheel, and it drives on 60% gasoline, 40% crude oil. So it smells horribly, it's very polluting, and
Inside of the car, the very old car, is the West German car.
Das könnte jetzt in der Tabelle noch Kiefer.
Trabi Wood. So this is a big bowl. I don't know what is inside. It's a happy car. Trabi World. This is a West German car, and the seat is like that. Inside is like that.
Look behind it, just have very modern buildings.
Yes.
Soft.
Yes. But this one is not anymore working. Hot air balloon is like a hot air balloon.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the West German Wall.
You can walk here.
So guys, this is the famous West German Wall here in Berlin. And this is the remaining of the wall. Until now, it's still here. And then it's still intact. This is the famous wall here in Berlin, Germany. Guys, we are here in the very famous West German Wall, West Berlin Wall. And this was separated from East and West German. East and West German is in the other side is the East, and this side with this wall is the West German. Yeah, they cut here. I don't know what happened here.
When it fell down, the people, they broke it up.
This is the very historical wall of the German,
That still stay.
and then it's still
And
intact.
that is true. It will still stay in 100 years as a souvenir.
Yes, because it's too beautiful, and then yeah. Because before there's two types of Germany, the East and West Germany, and this part is the West Germany, and the other part, another side of this wall is the East Germany. And the West Germany, they have a nice government, and the East they don't have a nice government. They're controlled by the government. Okay, and then we will see in this side there's something that we want to see there. See the wall. It was already how many years old this wall? This wall is it was hundreds already or not?
No, this wall was built in 1961
Okay, and 1961.
and destroyed 40 years later. No, but even less than that.
Okay.
No, even less.
So there you go. This is the history of this wall. And then it's very famous wall.
meters.
And then that's the explanation about this building of the wall of the West Germany. So a lot of people now is reading what's the history of this wall. This is the remaining wall of West Germany, and you can see it's still intact. And then a lot of people visiting this place because it's a historical wall. It separates the two types of Germany, the East and the West Germany. So basically guys, in this side where we are standing and where we are filming is the West Germany, and other side, from that other side of the wall, is the East Germany. And according to the history, the East Germany, they have a very difficult life. They don't have a freedom. They are controlled by the Nazi, they're controlled by the DDR, and it's a history that these things and it's very, very historical.
Aqui, vem aqui.
Ouais, bah c'est petit.
C'est après la prise du pouvoir.
Okay, so done. You're done now. This is the remaining wall. Okay, we're done.
Por acá.
So we're going somewhere in a museum, not a museum that we're going to visit.